Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable power saving mode on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, power saving mode typically limits background processes, app silencing, and other non-essential functions, reducing strain on the processor and conserving battery power. Not only that, by using power saving mode also you reduce your device energy consumption, contributing to lower energy consumption and reduce environmental impact. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly enter to the settings menu. Well, and here scroll down please, then select battery option. Okay, so now look for power saving and turn the toggle on like this. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable power saving mode on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.